heck happened there? So good! And then it failed right there. The line didn't keep going that way. How did that happen? Oh, that's a wacky one. Actually. What? Wait a quick second here. Holy crap. Holy shoot! Oh man! Holy crap! Oh man! Oh, that was nuts. This wall didn't fall, but it hit the domino line still. Oh man, that was so weird at that ending. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. What? Whoa! What happened here? Do you see that? Do you see how it's standing? Okay.